open the Filmic Pro app. Once opened, we can change different settings in the Filmic Pro app as usual. There is options for color profile like log, V2, neutral and flat profiles, etc. There are options for shutter speed and ISO change, and there is option for zoom and focus pulling. So we will be using the zoom and focus pulling options. Particularly we will be using the zoom options, and the best feature of this app is the one tap zoom, which can allow us to create a dolly zoom effect. So first, as you can see in the right hand side of the screen, we can select zoom values and also the zoom speed. First we need to create a subject focused on, and let me use the autofocus function to make the subject within focus, and then adjust the zoom sliding speed. So that can be done in the zoom sliding options on the right hand side. So once the speed and the zoom values are satisfactory, we can go ahead with the actual shooting. Before shooting, I will be using autofocus and I'll lock the exposure. And the technique is that once I record, I'll click the automatic zoom option, and while the zooming happens, I'll be moving the camera in the opposite direction of the zoom so that it will create a dolly zoom effect. So this is how it is done. I'm recording now, so the final output is something like this. Now the effect will happen now. You can see that the background is moving. So the technique is very simple, and you need to hold your hand quite still. I'm not using a gimbal, by the way. If you use a gimbal, the effect will be much better. Thank you for today. See you later.